In a nearly 3-hour interview before the JSC, Judge Mjabuliseni Madondo has set the record straight in a book titled Revelation of God's Plan, which, according to Judge's Matter, he calls an interpretation of the Bible.
I said to myself, I have to review this section and see if I can be able to bring some clarity to bear on it and try to put it in its proper context and perspective. Because the way it was interpreted was not the way, is not what I intended to convey. That concerned me much, to such an extent that I was accused of being homophobic.
Madondo is vying for the post of Judge President in the KwaZulu-Natal High Court Division. Outside of his extrajudicial writings, Madondo was probed on the fact that he's nearing retirement in November 2023. This means that if appointed in January next year, he would only be able to serve 11 months. A factor that legal analyst Benedict Perry says would be wise to consider.
It wouldn't be the wisest to not consider the fact that he's retiring in 11 months. And we've heard the type of questions that the JSC has been posing to judges in these leadership roles, or for instance, the ones that applied for other judge president roles or the SCA. There are questions about leadership, a commitment to transformation.
Madondo is up against two women candidates, Judge Poto Dlwati and Judge Steyn, before the JSC that has had a prominent focus on transformation and gender representation in the judiciary. The October leg of the JSC interviews is nearing its end, with at least 10 candidates to be interviewed from Monday for the High Court Division in the Northwest and the Western Cape, as well as the Water Tribunal. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.